The General Sherman, also known as Sequoia dendron giganteum or giant sequoia, is the largest current single-stem tree in the world, standing at a current height of 275 feet tall, with its lowest branches reaching 130 feet in length. Located in the oldest national park, sequoias are one of two species of coniferous trees known as giant redwoods, which can be found within the sequoia forest in western Sierra Nevada. This specific tree was named back in 1879 by a cowboy and naturalist named James Wolverton, who named the tree after the actual General William Tecumseh Sherman, who Wolverton served under as lieutenant in the 9th Regiment Indiana Cavalry during the Civil War. Among many things, General Sherman was a former commanding general for the U.S. Army during this war that took place between 1861 and 1865. This magnificent giant holds up to 2 billion leaves and 74,000 cones, more than any other tree can hold. Its current measurements as of this year include a ground circumference of 102.6 feet and a maximum base diameter of 36.5 feet. The diameter 60 feet above the base is 17.5 feet and shrinks to around 14 feet, reaching 180 feet above the base. It also has an average crown spread that reaches 106.5 feet, and researchers say it is still growing till this day.
Giant sequoia trees only grow on the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada in California. Sequoia trees thrive in moderate winter temps and places with high humidity. Despite these temperatures and weather climates, sequoia trees are highly adaptable species and can adapt to any type of weather conditions that it may throw its way. For the growing conditions of the General Sherman sequoia, it thrives in a dry, humid climate during the summer, but can also thrive in the snow during winter as well. Considering how big the tree is, it makes sense that a lot of water is needed to nourish the tree. 90 to 40 centimeters is a good amount of water for the sequoia. As for the soil type, it thrives best in alluvial and residual soils with a granitic base. Alluvial soil is the soil that is deposited by surface water, whereas residual soil is the soil that is remaining after the soluble elements have been dissolved. The granitic base is weathered residue of rocks. The sequoia needs some type of rock-based soil or has weathered elements in the soil. This is an extremely fast growth rate and a very fast seeding development. Germination occurs quickly and propagation occurs through seeds. The general lifespan can range from 1800 years to 2700 years. Its natural habitat can be described as scattered groves in mixed evergreen forests.
Future evolution. Sequoias are the third longest lived tree species and have the potential lifespan of 3,000 years. Although giant sequoias may not survive the wrath of extreme fires, the world's largest trees are adapted to wildfires. But with fires getting more extreme, scientists warn that giant sequoias are running out of time. Fossil remains of the genus Sequoia from the Jurassic period of 180 to 135 million years ago have been found in North America, Greenland, and the Eurasian continent, suggesting vast forests. This sequoia has a circumference of 103 feet and soars 275 feet into the blue Sierra sky, and it's still growing. Each year it adds enough wood to make another 60-foot tall tree.